In front of me is Oppo A80 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Then one-handed mode and gray switcher next to one-handed mode over here. Then follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to go back, click on this blank area or swipe up. To disable it completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!